everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I bought something new for you all guys. As Father's Day is coming near, so I bought some ideas for you. These are very easy and you don't need any extra supplies. These need very minimal supplies. So let's get started with the video.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna
Cut out colored sheets in these measurements.
we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
Firstly, take the rectangle sheet and fold it in half.
wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now, take the square sheet, fold it in half also from both the direction as shown. Crease all these lines perfectly.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls,
Now, join these opposite corners and make a line. Do this from both the sides.
we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now fold all four sides and make a triangle as shown from both the sides. Now take the corner and press it till the middle as shown. Do it with all four corners.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands.
Now open the corner and push it in as shown. Do it with all four corners.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
Now take the rectangle part and glue this thing with any type of glue as shown. Now take any decorative paper and glue it on. I made this at home. Now here I am stamping the border. This is totally optional. You can leave this part. You can just be creative with your ideas and just decorate your card from inside as you want. I have kept all these cards very simple so that you can make it very easily in this quarantine. Now again, it's your choice to take whichever color you want. Here I have printed this template and I'll cut this from inside too. Just in a minute I'll show you. Take some red and black paper also. Now here I am sticking black paper on this brown paper with the help of Fevistick. You can use any type of glue. Now I'm just marking where to paste red paper. Now with double-sided tape, I'll paste this cutout of mug. Now here I am doing outlining with black sketch. So here I made insides of the card. You can make however you want. Now here I am taking orange colored sheet and folding it in half. Again, this card is very simple to make and very easy. Now here I have cut out pocket from black chart paper and some tools from silver paper. If you don't have silver paper, you can use normal white sheet and color it with some silver color. Here with double-sided tape, I'll stick all these tools onto the sheet. Now here I am sticking pocket with double-sided tape. Now here I am using correction pen. If you don't have correction pen, you can use white paint or you can skip this process also. Now here I am writing Happy Father's Day with correction pen. Here I am using decorative tape. If you don't have, you can just leave this step or you can be just creative with your pens and draw it. Here is the last but not least design. Now take black chart paper of square 19 cm, fold it in half, from both the sides as shown. Now fold the opposite corners also from both the side. Make sure you make the lines very precisely. And now try to pull it like so, and there we go. Now take the rectangle of 13 cm width and in length 28 cm. Fold it in half also. Now stick this black part with any type of glue. Now I am taking here some decorative paper and some white plain paper to cover it. Here we go, and just you can be creative and decorate how as you want. If you want the DIY of this fan, I am linking it down below. You can go and check out on my channel. It is already up there. So here it is completed. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and check out my other videos also. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye and take care.